We've learned when contracts are separate or combined. But now, what exactly counts as contract revenue? Let's break it down. Contract revenue includes the agreed price. What exactly counts as any cost escalation the contract allows for?
We subtract penalties for late completion and adjust the whole total for any approved variations.
Let's look at a full worked example. AB Contractors enters into a contract to construct a 5-storied building. The contract duration is 3 years. The fixed price is 5 crore.
The contract allows cost escalation, up to 20% of any increase in material cost and up to 30% of any increase in labor cost.
There's also an incentive of 50 lakh if the work finishes before 2 years and 10 months, and a penalty of 20 lakh if it's delayed beyond 3 years and 2 months. In reality, the construction was completed in 2 years and 9 months, well within the incentive window. Labor costs actually increased by 25%. Material costs increased by 40%, an actual rise of 80 lakh rupees. So, what should the total contract revenue be? Let's solve this step by step. We start with the fixed price 5 crore. Since the work finished in 2 years 9 months, well within the window, we add the full incentive 50 lakh. Material cost went up by 40%, but recovery is capped at 20%. Labor cost rose 25%, which is within the 30% cap, so the full 30 lakh is added.
Plus 50 lakh incentive, plus 40 lakh material recovery. That gives us a total contract revenue of 6.20 crore. But there's more. In year 2, XY asks AB to add an extra floor. That gives us rupiah, increasing the contract fee by 1 crore. AB also spends 20 lakh rupees getting local authority approvals, and this is claimable from XY. So, 20 lakh is added as recoverable claims. Adding the 1 crore variation and 20 lakh rupees in claims to our earlier 6.20 crore, the final total contract revenue is 7.40 crore. If this helped you understand contract revenue, do like this video, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Got a doubt? Drop it in the comments below. Next time, we'll uncover what exactly counts as contract costs, what's included and what's not. See you in the next video.